my dear students, once again welcome back to our online classes. This is your subject teacher of English from LPM Public School, which is situated in Gola Bazar, Gorakhpur. My dear student, in today's video I am going to explain the exercises of chapter number 1. In my previous video I have already completed some exercises of this chapter. So student, today's video I am going to explain the next remaining exercises of this chapter. So for that you all take out your English grammar book, open chapter number 1. So dear student, in chapter number 1 we have to learn about the naming words. What is a naming words? So naming word is the name of any people, places, animal or things. We have to learn in that. And now next is, there is a next exercise. Look at these pictures. Student, according to the naming words we have to solve the exercises. Now there is a next is, look at this picture. It is about the male and female. So student, by this exercise we have to able about male and female, that how could we know that is a given particular name of a male or of a person, that is a male or female. So student, there is a two picture. In first there is a girl and second there is a boy. So student, a girl is a female child, a girl is a female child, and a boy is a male child, a boy is a male child. Okay student, there is a many more examples of male and female. So here are two. First is a girl and second one is a boy. So the girl is a female child and a boy is a male child. Now the next, there is a next picture of mother and father. So student, mother is a female parent, mother is a female parent and father is a male parent. According to this picture we have to say that in a female there is a girl and mother is a female. Girl and mother is example of female, and boy and fathers are example of male. So student, now moving to the next exercise. So according to that picture we have to learn the next. There is a next, lioness and lion. There is a picture of lioness and lion. Next is cow and bull. So student, the lion and the bull are male animals. Okay, the lion and the bull are male animals. And next is, the lioness and the cow are female animals. So dear student, after the naming words we have to learn about the gender. In gender there is a two category. There is a two type of gender. First is for female and second one is for male. First is female and male. In the example of female there is a girl and mother. Now the next example of male, there is a boy and father. So student, dear student, you have to remember that animals also have male or female category. Okay, so as you can see at your screen, there is a lioness, lion, cow and bull. So lioness is the example of female and lion is the example of male animals. Okay, so we can say that animals also have male and female category. Okay student, so now the next, there is so dear student, there is a exercise, match the male names with the female name. Okay, match the given male name with their female name, and one has been done for you. Here at the screen as you can see, there is a first number 1 already completed. So you have to do the next. Student, in number 1 there is a boy, and what the female name of boy? So it is girl. Okay, boy, female is girl. So now next there is a second, there is a king. There is a next word is king. So now tell me, what's the female words of king? So it is queen. Okay, the female words of king is queen. So we have to match the given second with E. Okay, we have to match second with E. Now the next, there is a grandfather. There is a next grandfather. So student, tell me what is the female word of grandfather? So it is grandmother. It is grandmother. So we have to match number third with A. We have to match number third with A. Now moving to the next, number 4, rooster. Student, there is a next stage. There is a next word is rooster. So we have to match the given number 4 with hen. Okay. The female word of rooster is hen. It is also called cock. Okay. So we have to match number 4 with B. Now the next stage, number 5. In number 5 there is a male word is bull. So tell me what the female word of bull. So the female word of bull is cow. So we have to match number 5 with I, that is cow. Okay, now the next one is stallion. Okay, next is number 6 is stallion. So the female word of stallion is, so dear student, we have to match the given number 6 stallion word. It is a male word. We have to match number 6 with C, that is mare. We have to match C. Okay, now the next stage, next number 7 is gander. Okay, next number 7 is gander. So we have to match number 7 with J, that is goose. Okay, we have to match number 7 with J, that is goose. The female word of gander is goose. Now the next number 8. In number 8 there is a male word fox. So tell me what the female words of fox. It is vixen. Okay, it is vixen. So we have to match number 8 with F, that is vixen. Now the number 9, there is a ram. There is a ram. Student, in number 9 there is a ram. So we have to match number 9 with G, that is U. Okay, that is U. So student, we have to match number 9 with G, that is U. Now the last one is number 10. There is a male word is peacock. So student, tell me what is the female version of peacock. So the female version of peacock is peahen. So we have to match number 10 with H. Okay, we have to match number 10 with H. So like this we have to complete this matching work in book. So student, you have also write this given exercises in your notebook. So for that you all take out your notebook and mention date of today. Firstly you have to write match the male name with the female name, and student you have to write this matching word like this. Okay, firstly you have to write number 1. There is a first word is boy, so you have to write the female version of this given words, that is girl. So you have to write in front of each words. Okay, student, you have to write their female version in front of the given words. Okay, so first is boy, so you have to write girl. Next is king, so you have to write queen. Third is grandfather, so you have to write grandmother. So like this we have to know about the male and female version. Okay, there is a first word is boy, so what is the female version of boy? That is girl. Next is king, so what is the female version of king? That is queen. Next is grandfather, so it will be grandmother. Okay, next is rooster, so the female version of rooster is hen. Now the next number 5, there is a bull, so the female of bull is cow. Number 6 is stallion, so the female version of stallion is mare. Now the next number 7 is gander, so the female version of gander is goose. Number 8 is fox, so female version of fox is vixen. Now the 9 is ram, so the female version of ram is ewe. And number 10 is peacock, so the female version of peacock is peahen. So like this we have to complete these exercises in notebook with a good handwriting. Okay student, now moving to the next. So dear student, there is a next exercises. Put the words from the box in the correct columns one has done for you. Student, in this box there are some words which is related to male and female person. Okay, which is related to male or female. So student, you have to choose the correct one, and according to the word you have to put the words from the box in the correct column. There is a 2 column, as you can see at your screen. There is a 2 column, so you have to write the correct word in correct column. There is a first column for male, so you have to write in the given column only male words, and the next one is female, so you have to write here the female version of that given male word. Okay student, so there is a first has already done for you. So there is a, as you can see, there is a first word is tiger, so the female word of tiger is tigress. Okay, now the next, there is the next word is actor. Student, actor is a male word, so you have to write actor in the given column. What the spelling of actor? A-C-T-O-R, actor. And what the female version of actor? That is actress. That is actress. So you have to write actress on the given column. Okay, first is tiger, second is actor. Now the next, in number 3rd, there is a next word is brother. Next word is brother. You have to write brother. What the spelling of brother? It is B-R-O-T-H-E-R, brother. And the female version of brother is sister, so you have to write sister here. Okay, now the next, there is a next word is nephew. This next word is nephew. Okay, nephew is a male word, so you have to write nephew in the given column. What is the spelling of nephew? N-E-P-H-E-W. N-E-P-H-E-W. And what the female version of nephew? It is niece. So you have to write niece here. N-I-E-C-E. Okay, nephew and niece. Now the next male word is uncle. Okay, next is uncle. So you have to write uncle. What is the spelling of uncle? U-N-C-L-E, uncle. And the female version of uncle is aunt. The female version of uncle is aunt. So you have to write aunt on the given female column. Okay, now the student, next is, the next is groom. Next is groom. Groom is a male word, so you have to write this male word in a male column. So firstly you have to find out that which word is male, which words are male and which words are female. So you have to write for that M or F. So firstly there is a tiger, so tiger is a male word, so you have to write M. Actor is a male word, so M. Brother is a male word, so you have to write M. Aunt is a female word, so you have to write F here. Nephew is a male word, so you have to write M. Actress is a female word, so you have to write F. Bride is also female, so you have to write F. Now the next, tigress is a female word, so you have to write F. Niece is a female word. Now the uncle, uncle is a male word. Groom is a male word. Daughter is a female word. Son is a male word. Sister is a female word. And prince is a male word, and princess is a female word. So like this, firstly you have to find out that which words are male or which words are female. So like this, when you find these all words according to the male and female, so after that you have to write one by one male words in a male column and female words in a female column. Okay student, and you have also write it in your notebook. So for that you have to take out your notebooks and start the writing of this given exercise. So dear student, firstly you have to write the given heading, put the words from the box in the correct columns. So here you have to make 2 columns, one for male and another for female. So in number 1 you have to write the first word, that is tiger, and what the female version of tiger? It is tigress. So you have to write tiger and after that tigress in a female column. Now the next word is actor, and the female version of actor is actress, so you have to write on the female column. Now the next, in male column you have to write brother, and the female version of brother is sister. Now the next, number 4 is uncle, and the female version of uncle is aunt. Now the next is number 5, there is a nephew, and the female version of nephew is niece. Now the next, number 6, there is groom. Number 6 is groom, and the female version of groom is bride. Okay student. Now the next, number 7, there is a son. There is a next word in male column, that is son, and the female version of son is daughter. Okay. Now the next, last one is prince, and the female version of prince is princess. So student, you have to also learn this given spelling of the male or female words. So there is a first stage, tiger. What the spelling of tiger? Tiger, tiger. And the female version of tiger is tigress. What the spelling of tigress? It is Tigreess, tigress. Second is actor, Actor, actor. And the female version of actress, what the spelling of actress? Actress, actress. Third is brother, Brother, brother. The female version of brother is sister, Sister, sister. Next is uncle, Uncle, uncle. And the female version of uncle is aunt, Aunt, aunt. Number 5 is nephew, Nephew, nephew. And the female version of nephew is niece, Niece, niece. Number 6 is groom, Groom, groom. And the female version of groom is bride, Bride, bride. Number 7 is son, Son, son. And the female version of son is daughter, Daugster, daughter. And the last one is prince. The spelling of prince is Prince, prince. And the female version of prince is princess, Princess, princess. So like this you have to complete this given exercises in your book and notebook. So my dear student, I hope is that clear to you that how could we write these exercises in book and in notebook. Okay student, so that's it for today. Till then, stay safe, stay healthy and keep watching my video. Thank you.